This is the Netflix 1 month overview reading for November 2022. It's currently October 24th, 2022, 10:19 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the month, guys, we have three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend, and it's crossed with sideways fluidity, equal amounts of bulls and bears, inflow and outflow. It's sideways fluidity like along a support level. Interesting. So I think we probably have like a low mid-month, a lowest low mid-month most likely, and then we rise towards the very end of the month significantly. Behavior around the highest high for the month, we successfully turn a key resistance level on a year-to-date chart. We successfully turn a key resistance level into new support. And then behavior around the lowest low, there's sideways rotation along a key support level on a year-to-date chart. It ends with a fast sudden move to the upside. So on the first, what happens is we start out with a crest for the month, and we fall let me back that up. There's a key support level and a cash out opportunity here on the first day of the month. It's our first prominent high or crest that'll stand out, but it also becomes our first prominent trough towards the end of the day there. And then on the second, we have a rally that increases with momentum moving forward into the day. There's another prominent crest between the second and the third there. And then we fall pretty hard on the third, maybe more than just Netflix stocks that are falling there. There's a swing trade opportunity involving the works card, so sideways rotation along a key support level. That'd be a key support level on a 1 month chart. And then on the fourth, we attempt to reestablish support. Looks like to the downside towards the end of the day, and that's a key support on a 1 month chart as well. On the 7th, we have a significant move higher. There's quite a lot of price movement here on the 7th, early in the day especially, but there's a notable move higher that'll stand out on a 1 month chart. Oh, and that swing trade opportunity involving the sideways rotation, it involves both the third and the fourth, and possibly again on the 8th and the 9th. It looks like that price level may be the price level that we do like a crisscross through. Right? There's a prominent crest or peak here mid-morning on the 8th, and there's a notable fake out or shakeout that'll stand out on a 1 month chart. We move through resistance, stay above it briefly, and then break back down. So a lot of ground is covered price-wise on the 7th and the 8th. And then on the 9th, we have our first like prominent low that'll stand out. To be clear, guys, it's difficult for me to determine on this reading exactly where the lowest low is and the highest high, which one of these are. So I'm just going to do my best to point out where the prominent lows and highs are. So on the 9th, we have a prominent trough or low there, and we move significantly higher out of that. Looks like a rally starts out of that low there on the 9th. We rally into significant resistance on a 1 month chart scale on the 10th, and then we fall there. We fall with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down, reaching a prominent trough or low for the month here towards the end of the 10th. This will be like not the lowest low. I can tell you this won't be the lowest low, but this will be a low that stands out. And then we rally again on the 11th along a diagonal trend line, but that rally fails when we have a fast sun move higher, and then we break down through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. That rally may actually end on the 14th. No? On the 11th? The 10th? The rally ends on the 16th. Yes. Okay, so the rally that starts on the 9th, it looks like it ends on the 16th. So this is like a temporary end to a rally here on the 11th. Looks like it may very well open up higher on the 14th. There's a crest that we sell down to and through, a prominent crest or high on a 1 month chart, and we sell down to and through a support level on a 1 month chart that would stand out, and we do a U-shaped reversal below that support level, come back and reuse it as support. We have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance on a 1 month chart taking place on the 15th, and then on the 16th it looks like we have a prominent crest or a high for the month. My sense is that this is a prominent crest here, and we sell pretty strongly off of that crest on the 16th through multiple support levels. Gap up on the 17th. Gap up on the 17th. And then we fall again. There's a decline on the 17th, increasing with momentum moving forward into the day. And there's also a swing trade opportunity there involving a failed attempt to break through key resistance. Resistance that technicals will lead us to believe we're going to break through. But instead we fail and we turn around and we break down through key support. This is on the scale of a 1 month chart again. And then we have another low or prominent low for the month. This is most likely where the lowest low is. Matter of fact, I think the lowest low is probably it's either on the 18th or it's on the 23rd, early in the day. But on the 18th, we have a notable rally. It'll stand out on a 1 month chart out of that low, and that rally doesn't hold. It's just offering an opportunity to open up a short position. Looks like the following day, the 21st, we have a decline that offers an opportunity to open up a long position. So we go from a rally offering an opportunity to open up a short position to a decline offering an opportunity to open up a long position. And that's a significant trade opportunity there, guys. Significant trade opportunity there. And it looks like there's a swing trade opportunity on the 21st as well. And it involves again it may be the same resistance level from the 17th. But there's like this failed attempt to break through that resistance level that'll stand out on a 1 month chart. We turn around and we decline through key support instead, and it's the resistance level that, again, technicals will lead us to believe we're going to break through. On the 22nd, we have a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher, and then it looks like we have the month's low probably on the 23rd. If it's not on the 17th, then it's on the 23rd. Probably the 23rd. Advised to be cautious on the 23rd. Yeah, I'm advised to be cautious on the 23rd. Probably the 23rd, the behavior on the 23rd will make us feel like we need to sell out of like a stronger decline that's going to take place. But we're pleasantly surprised on the week of the 28th. On the 25th, we have more volatility. There's a sharp dip in that period of volatility, but on the 28th, we have a period of erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, and we revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity on the scale of a 1-month chart that's about somewhere within a week. Usually within a week, maybe 10 days, but usually within a week. It's actually usually closer to 3. And then on the 29th, we have a significant move higher. This is likely... Yeah, this is likely the fast sudden move higher that marks the end of the decline, or the end of the sideways rotation here that we have near the low. So these may be the same lows, the same price levels roughly, or this may be a lower one. But the fact is that we pushed the upper end of a range on a 1-month chart here. We pushed the upper end of a range here on higher on the 29th. Again, we have a swing trade opportunity on both the 28th and the 29th involving a failed attempt to break through key resistance. Resistance that technicals would lead us to believe we're going to break through, but we don't. We turn around and we decline through support. And that likely takes place on the 30th when we have a decline due to multiple headwinds. The sneak preview card for December, however, is a breakout card. It's super bullish. Looks like we probably have a cash out opportunity early in September, and then we have another trade opportunity to open up a trade in late December before we have another rally that commences. That's Netflix for November 2022, guys. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. There's plenty of ways to give back to the channel and support the channel, guys. You can check out any of those ways in the description below. Much appreciated, my friends. And I'll see you guys on the next one.